guys, let's see what they have today. This is cute. Oh, this one's cute too. Definitely getting it. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an epic thrift haul. I found brands from Express to Candies to Loft. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so let's start. The first shirt is this cream shirt. This is what it looks like. It's by the brand Kato. It's in a size small. And if you can tell, the texture is it's kind of like a see-through texture. So I would definitely wear this with a shirt underneath. Okay, now the next item I got was another shirt. It's just a plain red shirt. I like the neckline, how it kind of droops down like that. I think it's very pretty. I'd wear this to church. This is by the brand Express. It's a size small. I really like the color. I just love everything about this shirt, and the quality is like really good. All right, so the next item I got, which you guys saw, was this white dress. I thought it was just so elegant and pretty. Oh my gosh, like it is so freaking soft. Oh my gosh. It's by the brand Poetry, and this is also in a size small. I feel like you can wear this dress to church or even to the beach. It's just you can do a lot with this dress. It's very flowing, just very elegant looking. All right, so I also got the other white dress. This is what it looks like. So this one has a material. It is by the brand Peaceable. I don't know, never heard of that brand, but it's spaghetti strapped. It has adjustable straps. It has like an underdress, so you can't see areas. And then just like this very pretty material. The lace has flower on it. Very cute. And this again was in a size medium. All right, so the next item I got was this cute blazer. I've been trying to incorporate wearing more blazers lately, and I'm so happy I came across this one. It's like an off pink kind of cream. It's in the size small, and it's by the brand Candies. Go Brittany. This was really cute. It does have shoulder paddings in the inside, but like it doesn't make your shoulders look too broad. So it still makes you look very feminine. Very cute. You can dress this up, you can dress it down. Literally so cute. All right, so the next item I got, looking at it, you're gonna be like, ew, that's kind of ugly, but just wait. Okay, so this is by the brand LOFT. It's in a size extra large, and I purposely wanted it to be big. I can see this as a fall time jacket. It's in jean material, and it's in like a hunter green. I just think it looks very cute. I would pair this with some jeans. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for fall. This is just like a comfy, I get like comfy vibes seeing this jacket. And it's not too thick. Like normal jean jackets are kind of uncomfortable and very like thick material, but this one is very lightweight, which I love. Okay, I also got my daughter a couple of things. They didn't really have too much for babies, but I found a cute bathing suit. It's in this coral color. It's 18 months. My chubby girl is only 4 months, and she's already outgrowing 6 to 9 months. So yeah, she needed a new bathing suit. I thought this one was really cute. Every time I go to the thrift store, I also pick up a book. This one is Numbers. Pretty cute. And then all you 90s babies, you guys have had one of these. So I was like, okay, I definitely have to get my daughter one. And they had it in pink. They also had purple and blue, but I wanted pink. But yeah, I'm happy when she starts walking. So my total today was $30 exactly for all of this stuff. Like, wow. I was very content with what I got today. If you haven't checked out my other thrift haul videos, check it out. I love thrifting. It's a hobby for me. You can find some really cool items. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click on the little bell notification so you guys do not miss on any videos that I post. All right, guys, have a blessed day. Thanks for watching.